Hey AMC students, this is just a quick video on the unit circle here. On my last video, I didn't have the unit circle up, and some people were saying, well, it's hard to know how I just got those, and some of it's memorization, but I just wanted to go through all of our different trig functions that we've got. We've got sine of theta is the y value, cosine of theta is the x value, tan of theta is y divided by x. Remember, theta is just the Greek letter that we use to stand for the angle. So the thing to take away is we plug in the angle to a trig equation and we get out some information about the coordinates of the point. There are also three reciprocal trig functions that show up less frequently. SEC stands for secant of theta. That's the reciprocal of cosine. It's 1 over x. Cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of sine. And cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent, so x over y. So if I'm doing some of those problems from your assignment, I'm just looking up the angle and the associated coordinates. That's what evaluating means. So for example, if I had to do the sine of 11 pi over 6, I look at 11 pi over 6, and I write down what the y value is because it was sine. If I had to do cosecant of 7 pi over 6, I look at 7 pi over 6, and I do 1 divided by the y value. 1 divided by the y value of negative 1/2. And that simplifies to be negative 2, because negative 1/2 goes into 1, negative 2 times. If I had to do cotangent of, let's say, pi over 2, then I would do x divided by y, 0 divided by 1, which is 0. So that's it for this video. In a separate video, I'm going to talk about how you deal with big angles and with negative angles. And it's really the same sort of process. But to keep this one short, these were just angles that you can look up on the unit circle. The next one, we will talk about dealing with big angles and negative angles.